Disputes between doctors, patients, insurance companies are pretty common in Hawaii and around the country.
Yeah, the state legislature is trying to give most consumers more power in their disputes. Now, right now, if denied a medical service, a Hawaii resident with employer-paid insurance has to go to court to fight an insurance company. But under health care reform and legislation in Hawaii, patients could turn to an independent review organization instead of the courts.
It's actually better for consumers. It's less stressful. You don't have to go worry about being deposed and getting an attorney. And sometimes those processes go on for years.
But one group of patients, Hawaii's poor and most medically fragile, may actually lose clout against insurance companies under the legislation. KITV4's Daryl Huff has that story.
Five-year-old Tegan Tully can smile now thanks to therapy his insurance company at first denied until he ended up spending all December like this in intensive care.
It was really scary. It was a scary time for all of us.
Tegan has Lay's disease, which years ago meant institutionalization, but now Medicaid is designed to keep him at home. But along with fighting for his life, his mom has frequently fought with the Medicaid managed care insurance company over things like a stroller and nursing care.
He has a shaky treatment, huh, Tegan? Yeah.
Bridget Tully believes access to an attorney and a three-expert panel provided by Hawaii's current law has given her clout in her insurance disputes.
It protects us, and we need that.
It gives us leverage, and it gives us leverage in every case. So we've had a number of cases settled.
More than 260,000 other Medicaid recipients have the same protection, but it may be eliminated under health reform legislation. State officials say having multiple appeals processes is inefficient.
If the legislation passes, insurance company attorneys say families like this will be just as well off. Their appeals would be heard by a single hearings officer with no attorneys involved.
The existing process at the insurance division is expensive, time-consuming, burdensome, and just adds to the cost of health care in a time when we really can ill afford it.
The state says its hearings officers are independent, but Tully fears without her attorney, the next fight for Tegan won't be fair.
I'm so worried about that. I really am. It's really scary.
From Hawaii Kai, Daryl Huff, KITV4 News.
Now, the final legislation is still to be negotiated between the House and Senate. Several lawmakers told KITV that they will work to ensure Medicaid patients have appeal rights at least equal to regular insurance consumers.